Two e-commerce giants, both with passionate fans, BigCommerce versus Squarespace Commerce. Which one really delivers? On the left, it's BigCommerce enterprise-grade power for ambitious sellers. On the right, Squarespace Commerce, stunning designs and simple selling for creative brands. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to what matters most for your business. Each category will earn points, and by the end, you'll see which platform comes out ahead. The winner might just surprise you. To keep things crystal clear, here's the map we'll follow. We're covering design and ease of use, e-commerce features, scalability and growth, payment and transaction options, marketing and SEO, customer support and pricing and value. So whatever you care about most, whether it's stress-free setup, scaling to the moon, or just stretching your budget, we've got it covered. Jumping in with design and ease of use. First up, BigCommerce. It's packed with customizable themes and you can go wild with custom code, integrations, all that good stuff. But here's the catch. It's really not the friendliest for beginners, if I'm being honest. The learning curve is kinda steep, especially if you're just dipping your toes into e-commerce for the first time. Now, Squarespace Commerce totally flips the script. Their templates are like chef's kiss, super modern and clean. Every part of the builder is drag and drop, so you literally move things around and see changes live. It's so smooth. But if you want crazy custom tweaks, you're gonna run up against some walls. Still, for most folks, Squarespace just nails it for ease and beauty, making it our winner in this round. Let's talk e-commerce features. BigCommerce is honestly kind of a beast here. You get pro-grade inventory, multi-channel selling, Amazon, eBay, Facebook, all that, unlimited products, staff accounts, and payment options out the wazoo. Plus, analytics, pro-level shipping tools, and fraud protection. Kinda wild, right? Only slight downer for the fanciest stuff. You might need their higher tiers, but I mean, you're getting serious bang for your buck. On Squarespace Commerce, you do get unlimited products and some cool promo tools, plus easy socials integration. And it's a big but, you only get 3 payment gateways, inventory management is basic, and multi-channel selling. Not so much. If you need those power features, BigCommerce is your winner. Next up, scalability and growth. Here, where BigCommerce goes all in. They're built for big brands, fast-growing shops, and even have whole enterprise tiers for big-time sales. Think no inventory limits, multi-storefront support, the works. Sure, you'll have sales limits before you get bumped to a pricier plan, and yeah, it can cost more as you grow, but that's how you get all those features. On the other side, Squarespace Commerce is like your chill, no-pressure option. No official sales cap, so smaller shops won't feel boxed in. But if you hit super high traffic or want complex business models, well, you'll kind of feel the limits. So BigCommerce clearly takes the win for scaling. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know BigCommerce powers stores in over 150 countries, while Squarespace sites have actually racked up a bunch of design awards? That's some worldwide impact mixed with major style points. Alright, payments and transactions. BigCommerce comes out swinging, over 65 gateways, no extra transaction fees, all the big names, including ones you've probably never heard of. Some gateways do require their premium plans though, which is a bummer. Squarespace is way simpler. You get Stripe, PayPal, or Square, that's it. Setup is easy, sure, but if you want something more custom or need extra payment options, not happening, so this one's a pretty clear call. BigCommerce is our winner for payments. Marketing and SEO is up next. BigCommerce gives you the full pro toolkit, advanced SEO controls, custom URLs, redirects, plus a bunch of built-in marketing integrations and multi-channel features. Honestly, if you know your way around a dashboard, you'll love it. But beginners might need a minute to get comfy. Squarespace has decent SEO basics, built-in promos like discounts and gift cards, and it's just effortless for a lot of users. Still, if you want automation or deep multi-platform campaigns, you'll hit some limits. For the advanced stuff, BigCommerce edges ahead yet again. Now let's break down customer support. BigCommerce gives you 24/7 help, including phone support that can be invaluable, plus a huge library of tech resources. Support quality can jump around a bit based on your plan, which is kinda expected, but at least you have options. Squarespace's help is fine for most standard issues. You get email and live chat, solid help docs, but no phone support, and there's less focus on gnarly e-commerce hassles. If support's a biggie for you, BigCommerce holds the crown. Lastly, pricing and value. Here, where Squarespace Commerce steps up, it's super affordable for pretty much anyone, whether you're solo or a small to medium shop. No sneaky sales limits and straightforward plans. Yeah, you won't be able to run a mega complex store, but that's kinda the point. BigCommerce, meanwhile, is packed with features and can grow with you, but it's more expensive out the gate, and higher sales mean extra costs. If price is top priority, Squarespace Commerce wins here hands down. Now, if you could see all these scores side by side, it's almost hilarious. BigCommerce basically dominates the advanced categories. If you need power and growth, they're the go-to. Squarespace Commerce, though, it shines where life is simple and beautiful, so you don't have to stress every detail or break the bank. So honestly, if you're gearing up for big growth, want those hardcore e-commerce and scaling features, or just crave flexibility, BigCommerce is the real deal. But you know what? If you're looking for an intuitive builder design that wows and keeping things affordable, Squarespace Commerce is pretty tough to beat for creators and smaller shops. Ready to build your online business? Check out the live demos on BigCommerce.com and Squarespace.com and see which platform fits your style, needs, and budget best. Dive in and let's see some epic stores this year.